Oh my goodness, civilization. I've been off-grid-ish for the past couple days since I've been out of self-service. There's some things I need to catch up on, and we're gonna head to the city. I also need to do like laundry and shower and stuff like that. It's really felt like cheating saying I've been living in the city because this place is right by the ocean and it is so nice. Alright, my friends, I'm gonna do my best here to demonstrate cooking in the city. Oh. It's kind of late for dinner, especially since we're going to be making eggs, and it's definitely late for breakfast. never said I was good at cooking. It's been really nice to get to know this city here, and it is by the ocean, so falling asleep to the sound of the ocean and waking up just to like see it on my drives to cafe or library, pretty special. When you're in a city, there's all these conveniences, grocery stores, and you can just go pick up something if you need it, versus when you're staying in a forest, you kind of have to like get everything all stacked up and just hope you have what you need. In terms of the cons, privacy, there's just people around and people that aren't in the community. Fortunately, the place I was staying is pretty popular with the van community, so there's lots of other travelers there, but sometimes when you're just parked somewhere random cooking, it's a little weird. You know, you can feel like you don't belong anywhere. So you either have to blend in or just feel weird. That's dinner. Well, I gotta say that was really hard to multitask and cook and do all that at the same time and try to talk to you about stuff. I think I prefer being in nature, but this city has been a really nice experience. I have a shower nearby that I've been able to go to a couple times this week, so that's great. And you're always gonna need to go into the city because utility reasons. Otherwise though, I generally stay away just because you can feel a bit out of place pretty easily. There's not a ton of privacy. Like if I want to be in for the night and just like watch Netflix, I have to put up all my window covers, and sometimes it's still a bit daylight out when I'm ready to do that. The only other thing I was going to mention was that nature is pretty, but honestly this town has been really pretty too. So that's my pros and cons list for the city over the course of cooking this, which I'm now going to eat. I haven't figured out how anyone makes themselves look cute while they're eating. Cheers. Thanks for hanging out. I will see you next time.